Welcome to the Do and Do Little. We're a mother and daughter duo. That's Gray, and that's me. Welcome back for those who have already been subscribed, and welcome to our new people. Today we're doing a different kind of video. It's a themed video, giving you little highlights of what's to come. And yes, we're doing a part 2 to our last video. I made myself into a Barbie using Chinalace Wig 13x6 lace front 14-inch highlighted wig, and it's 150% density. She's showing you all the details. It's a very beautiful wig. I like the part that they sewed in their name. Hair is already prepped for the install. Makeup's already done, and hopefully you've already seen part 1. I am fitting it to her head at this point. That's me in the back. No, I don't look good. I look a hot mess. But it's all about the look and the wig. I'm trying to fit it to her head and cutting off the ear tabs. She gets a little nervous when I got scissors around her ears. I'm slowly cutting so that she's calm about it. But check out her makeup. See, that's one ear tab off. Took off a little hair to get it around her ears. Trying to make sure that cap is down as far as it'll go. She's kind of got a large noggin, and we probably should have got a larger size. But I finagle it. I get it looking good on her head. Cutting off the extra lace and the ear tabs again on that side. Pulling it back. Now it's time to get some adhesive. We're using Got To Be gel. It's not a glue. That's just the name of it. I prefer using the white glue. White gel. It tends to hold better for me. Or so I think. It could just be in my head. Laying it down around her edges. I believe we do about 2 layers, and now I'm using the bed head spray as a second layer of adhesive. They say this is much better for your hairline than using glue. I'm not too sure, but it works for her. Spraying it on, rubbing it in. I let it get tacky. Then we're going to put on the wig. I don't know why I grabbed the edge brush. That was so ridiculous. I'm going to get a comb. There we go. I'm feeding that lace into our adhesive products. Making sure it's laying down pretty good. I already prepped the hair prior to. I hot combed the front already, as you can see. I even pre-plucked it. It had a good pre-plucking by the company, but I like to put my little spin on it. Feeding it into the adhesive. Spraying a little spray on top to help melt that lace on. Whoops! Sprayed her ear. I'm putting an elastic band on to help melt that lace into her hair. Tying it tight in the back. We let it sit for about 10 minutes. Blow drying. Oh, did you click like? She's dancing. Dancing again. Okay, time for the elastic band to come off. Just checking. Now it's time to cut that lace off. This takes a little time because she's very sensitive about me and scissors. You would have thought I cut her head off before. And these small scissors help me get very close to the hairline. I love using them for cutting off lace. Okay, lace is all cut off. As you can see, again, as usual, I always forget to clean our makeup off around the installation sites. But I'll take care of that later. I'm pulling out some baby hairs. Are you checking out the highlights in this wig? I'm using some mousse. That's going to help me with my baby hair magic. I'm getting better, watch. I'm concentrating. You see the ugly mug I got on my face? Whew. Using some more mousse. Concentrating on them sideburns. She's got enough natural sideburns, so I kind of have to slick them all down. I am now trying to get that part. She loves the side part. Now I'm about to lay some paper strips across her baby hairs. I add a little more later. Well, guess I didn't tie that right. The Barbie makeup is flawless. Now I'm gonna take care of the hair. Trying to get that part in. Tying it down some more. She felt she wanted more paper strips put on because she thought I didn't tie it tight enough. I even put an elastic band back on. It kind of helps while I'm doing the hair and pulling. All I'm doing is using my flat iron. Then I got it. Where did I get that flat iron from? I believe I got it at TJ Maxx. It's pretty good. Doing just a slight bump on the ends. Okay, time to take the paper strips off. Now I'm straightening up that makeup. This is when I notice she might need more baby hair on the top and not just the two sides, because the hairline is pretty back. See, I did extra baby hairs. Blended that stuff in, looks pretty good. Now I'm adding some contour into her part to make it pop, but I think I went a little too light in the color that I used, but we made it work. Trying to darken it up with a darker contour. It helped a little. Using a makeup brush to kind of blend it in some. Okay, here's the final look. Are you ready? There she go. The hair is beautiful. It's very thick for 150% density. And I love the dye job they did. Now, does she look like a Barbie to you? She looks like my old-fashioned Barbie dolls I used to have. And yes, I had some black ones. She's showing you the hair. Looks good. If she wanted to show off her dress. There's the final look. She looks like a Barbie to me. Does she look like a Barbie to you? Hope you subscribe.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.